In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website on Meta Business Suite if you want your business details to stay accurate and professional across your Meta assets. Adding your website is a simple but important update. It helps make your business information more complete, and it can also make it easier for customers or team members to find the correct website connected to your brand. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and make sure you're in the correct business account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the business configuration area. This is where Meta keeps the core details for your account, including business information, permissions, and other administrative settings. After the Settings panel opens, look for the section called Business Info. Click on Business Info to continue. This page contains the main profile details for your business. So if you ever need to update things like contact or business identity information, this is usually where you'll find it. Once you're inside the business info section, find the edit button and click on it. Editing mode allows you to make changes to the information currently listed in your business profile. If the page looks slightly different depending on your account layout, that's normal, but the goal is the same. Open the editable version of your business details. Now look for the field labeled Business Website. This is the area where you'll enter the link to your website. Carefully type or paste in the correct website address. It's a good idea to double check the spelling and make sure you're using the exact URL you want associated with your business. For example, confirm whether you want to include the full secure version of the link and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the address. After you've added the website link, the final step is to click Save. Saving applies the change to your business information, so Meta Business Suite can update the record with your website. Once you click Save, your website should now be attached to your business info. If you want, you can quickly review the page afterward to confirm the link appears correctly. That extra check can help you catch formatting issues right away. And that's it. That's how to add a website on Meta Business Suite. It only takes a minute, but keeping this information updated can make your business profile look more complete and reliable.